Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:64 scale Nissan GT-R R35 Premium Edition from Kyosho. This is the regular Kyosho paper box, so they've also printed a thank you on this tab over here. There are two pieces of cello tape holding the acrylic case, which I'll have to remove. There's the name of the car and the color printed on the base. The front is really well detailed and the headlights look really nice. The GT-R logo on the grille is also really well detailed. All the air intakes on the bumper also look really nice. The vents on top of the bonnet look really good. The vent on the fender is also really well detailed. The wheels are really well detailed, but there are no brake calipers and discs behind them. The taillights look really nice, and the Nissan and the GT-R logo are also really well detailed. Kyosho has given the exhaust tip a heat colored look, so it has a slightly bluish tinge to it. You can see the heat colored exhaust tips on all new GT-Rs. Now let's move on to the interior. The dashboard and the steering wheel are really well detailed, but there is no detailing on the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. This is how the rear seats look like. And this is the passenger side of the car. This is how the dashboard looks like from the top. And those are the seats. The wipers are not separate and are molded in with the windshield. The rear view mirrors have silver paint in it, but they still look really good. So here's the car out of its base, and it looks really nice. The chassis is as detailed as on the real car, and most of the components are covered. Both the front and rear wheels roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.